Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ajit Chand Bhandari representing economicnerd.blogspot.com. Last week, we had given a trade signal on Hindustan Unilever Limited. We were bearish on this counter and it has cleared our target as expected. You can click on to the link above to see the trade signal we had given last week. This week, we are going to discuss on ICICI Bank. We have titled the video as ICICI Bank Stock Technical Analysis. You can check our playlist of the previous analysis we have posted on this channel, the link to which is being displayed at the top right corner of this video. Please do let us know if you want us to do analysis of any other stock, index or forex pair in the comment box below. We'll try our best to reply you at the earliest. The date today is August 23rd, 2020 and the time of recording this video is 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Risk disclosure. We are not SEBI registered analysts. Views expressed here are for our record purposes only. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are not responsible for your financial gains or losses whatsoever. Technical view. We'll be discussing on ICICI Bank day, week and month charts. We are expecting a bullish trend in ICICI Bank. The current market price of ICICI Bank is at 371.15. ICICI Bank is bullish in day, week and quarterly price action. ICICI Bank is expected to be bullish for some time now. Parabolic Star and Stochastics are bullish in day time frame. Stochastics is confirming week and month time frame to be bullish. Day time frame chart. As you can see, I have taken ICICI Bank day time frame chart. As usual, we have taken two indicators. One is parabolic SAR and stochastics. Both of them are confirming bullish trend. Please keep in view 403.05. We'll be discussing this in our detailed analysis at the end of the video. Week time frame chart. This is ICICI Bank week chart. As you can see, the price is above the trend line. It has taken support quite a lot of times at this trend line, and this is purely a monthly trend line of the trend line. But in a weekly chart, the parabolic SAR is above the candle, not yet confirming a bullish trend, but stochastic is confirming a bullish trend. The main reason why we have taken a bullish trend in this is the price action is confirming day, week and quarterly as bullish. Reason why we have taken quarterly is the next month is the end of the quarter. So we are bullish on this thing. We'll be discussing this in detail analysis again. The month time frame chart. As you can see, it is making higher lows for quite some time now. Stochastic is giving a bullish signal, but parabolic SAR is not yet confirming. Now let us come to detailed analysis. The price action was basically taken with respect to day, in which we have got parabolic SAR and stochastics and price action. All the three were confirming bullish trend, so we have suggested the trend as bullish. The current market price is at 371.15. We are proposing to buy about 371.99 with a stop loss of 371.43 with targets 373.34 and 373.96. As I had said to you earlier, the price action in day, week and quarter are suggesting a bullish trend, and Stochastics is confirming in weekly and monthly charts as bullish. So we are confirming a bullish trend. Another reason, if you are looking at the quarterly level, the buy price is at 370.52. Okay, and the current market price is already 371.15. The quarter ends next month, so it is already confirming a bullish trend as far as even if you look at next month. Okay, now coming to the levels, day traders, the levels are here. Current market price 371.15, buy above 371.99, stop loss 371.43 with targets 373.34 and 373.96. For people who are interested to trade weekly time frame, buy above 372.13, stop loss 370.05, targets 377.57 and 379.87. People who can trade for next month, who have capacity to wait up to the next month end, it is already in buy above 370.52, stop loss 357.97, targets 421.42 and 435.31. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.